Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming both monitor and PC are powered off. This prevents damage and resets detection. Next, inspect the back of your CPU and monitor to find matching ports. HDMI and DisplayPort are preferred for digital video. Once done, pick the shortest straight cable possible to reduce strain and, if needed, an adapter to bridge mismatched ports. Make sure you have the monitor power cord ready and any screws or stand parts nearby, so you can proceed without interruption. Now you connect the video cable. Plug one end into the monitor and the other into the graphics card output if available. This ensures the GPU handles display tasks for best performance. Once connected, attach the monitor power cord and plug into a surge-protected outlet. This keeps voltage stable. If using an adapter, make sure it's rated for your resolution and fasten any screws or latches to prevent signal loss. Then, tidy cables to avoid tension on ports and allow airflow. Power on the monitor first, then the PC. This order helps the monitor lock onto the incoming signal. You should see the manufacturer logo or BIOS. If the image is absent, use the monitor OSD to select the correct input. Auto detect can fail. Make sure display settings in the OS match the monitor's native resolution. Troubleshooting tip: if there's still no image, reset both ends, swap to another port or cable, and test the monitor on a different device to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.